I'm here trying to adjust my chair. Hey everyone, this is Simply Makeup again. I have two small hauls that I did. Melt Cosmetics, I got something else from them since I'm enjoying the first palette I got from them, and the second one is by Milani. The first one we'll open, we'll do Melt. Let us do Melt. If you're loving my eyeshadow look, check the video up on YouTube. Already opened this palette. Okay, so in the Melt Cosmetics, I just love the packaging. I did open this already, but I haven't done anything else with it. Take a look at this. How cute is this packaging? This packet, I mean, I love this. Lips everywhere. It is cute. Take a look. I opened this and I was like, I love somebody like me who love a lot of lipstick. When I saw this, I was like, perfect. I'll put it in the back of my lipsticks. I just love this. Anyways, we're not there for the packaging alone. It was wrapped in this and then this. But this is the rest of the box. Isn't this cute? I mean, kudos to this. Kudos. I love this. I love this. See, now I put it back there and you can see it. Here it is in the background. I like this. This is so cute. Okay, I know. I bought the smoke, what is it called? Smoke Sessions from Melt. I'm getting closer. I saw this and I love this. I am like, I gotta have this. This is what when I went to Sephora, this is the one I really liked, but Sephora was sold out and they didn't have it online, so I couldn't order it to bring it back. So I was like, you know what? Melt was having a sale for 4th of July, so I went ahead and got it. So this is it. This is the sweet baby right here. Again, I will be doing some looks with that in the next one. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6 shimmers. Maybe that's what was so attracted to it in the first place. Because I love a shimmer. Shimmer makes your eyeshadow happy, as far as I'm concerned. It might not be for you, but for me, it does. So this is the next one. This is the next one. So I'll be playing with that pretty soon. That's the only thing I got from Melt. Now the next one is from Milani. It's packaged. The package is nice. Like I said, I got it, I opened it, and I haven't done the video to show you what I got. But I did open it. The first one from Milani is this one. It is called, oh boy, glasses time. It is called The Beautiful Nightmare. I'm telling you, this is pretty. Take a look. This is cute. In person, it is even prettier. So I got this. And then the second one is this one. And this one is called A Haunted Hollow. And a haunted hollow looks like this. I have to do it so you can see it better. This is a haunted hollow. This is a haunted hollow. This is so pretty. I was like, oh my God, I have to create some really dark looks like this for you all and for me because I'm loving it. And then I ordered this. Still has the plastic on it, so it might give you a reflection. Might be reflective. These are the eye gems. They only had this one. It's called an Enchanted Escape. I guess I'll figure out how to put it somewhere and play with it and have some fun. Remember, over here we're just keeping it real. We see it, we like it, we do it. Others might not have to like it, but if it's making you happy, rock with it. And the last thing I got from here was, well, the last thing I got from there is a concealer. And I love this concealer because I have one already. See, it's almost done. Let me show you. It's almost done. You see the gaps already in there? I love this. This matches perfect. So I bought a second one. And the shade is, glasses for that one, honey. Glasses for that one. I gotta have glasses for this one. The shade is 175 Warm Chestnut. And I'm telling you, this color, I'll put it like under my eye, not to brighten it, but just to correct, and I'll just bring it all down and fix it and put some powder or whatever I'm doing for the day. Perfect, perfect match. Love it. So I have a backup because I use it a lot. But this is all. But this is all my little shopping haul for now. And again, I will be playing with these new palettes to have some fun because I have a couple new palettes I need to pull out and do all new makeup. So these are my new makeups for now that I received. Well, not received, that I bought with my money. That's them. Again, remember, you are very important to you first and then to others. If you don't take care of yourself, someone else might not be able to take care of yourself for you because you know yourself the best. You know you much better than anybody else. So if hair hurting, you know it's hurting. Unless you tell somebody else, they don't know. They might feel sorry and say, I'm so sorry you're hurting, but only you know how much it hurts. I can sympathize with you all day, but you know how deep your pain and your sorrows are. But at the same time, I am sending you some comforting words. Don't give up. Hang in there. Talk to somebody else. Talk to yourself. Ask yourself questions. Answer them. It doesn't make you crazy or weird. It makes you a human being. I Simply Makeup is saying, go out there and live your life. Life is short. Live it for you, not for others. Bye. See you soon in another video. I'm loving this. And my crazy hair, as usual, I love.